Usually, the biggest things on the market are rarely visible to the public. They are often kept behind the scenes. And this is exactly what is happening right now. There's more than $1 trillion worth of risk as we speak, but this is the only way to make us go to the moon. Don't believe me? Then I'll prove you wrong. Today is a very, very important day for the entire crypto space. Disclaimer. The crypto market keeps crashing, pulling Shiba Inu price down significantly, and something bad just happened. The Bitcoin ETF's inflows from yesterday were revealed, and they are not good. We've now lost the 19-day streak of inflows with $65 million outflows today. People had been building a lot of anticipation because this streak of inflows was record-breaking. Everyone thought that from this point, the only way was up. But as it turns out, the crypto market crashed all of a sudden. It's really sad for people, especially those who invested heavily during the inflows, hoping to ride the wave of continuous growth. But here's something important. Some are speculating that this might just be a flush event. This is when the excitement is so high and so many people are buying in that the big players feel the need to shake things up a bit. By doing this, they can flush out the smaller investors and gain more power for themselves in the upcoming bull run. Here's how it works. When a lot of people start buying, the price goes up, creating a lot of excitement. The big players, or whales, see this as an opportunity. They might start selling off large amounts of their holdings, causing the price to drop sharply. This sudden drop scares off the smaller investors, who might sell their holdings in a panic. The big players then buy back in at these lower prices, increasing their holdings at a discount. A pretty similar situation happened in 2017. During the massive bull run, Bitcoin's price surged dramatically. But there were several sharp corrections along the way where the price dropped significantly, shaking out weaker hands. Each time, the price would eventually recover and go even higher, benefiting those who held on or bought the dips. So, while it's a tough time for many right now, it's possible that this flush event is just a temporary setback in a larger bull market. Only time will tell how things will unfold. It's sad that these events can really shake up regular investors, especially those invested in Shiba Inu. The impact is pretty noticeable, with Shiba Inu decreasing by 7% this week. This kind of market manipulation is undeniably bad. It takes advantage of smaller investors, creating fear and uncertainty, and can lead to significant financial losses for those who can't afford them. However, despite being unethical, these tactics can't really be changed or stopped easily. The market is largely unregulated, and big players have the power and resources to influence prices. They can create these fluctuations to their advantage, while smaller investors often bear the brunt of these manipulations. Amid this slip, an analyst on X highlights that hedge funds and Wall Street firms are increasingly taking short positions on Bitcoin futures contracts, betting on Bitcoin prices to drop. Even though they might be holding long positions in the spot market to benefit from fee differences, this approach carries significant risk. If prices surge unexpectedly, these firms could face massive losses. Right now, between the current price point and slightly above all-time highs, there's $12 billion worth of short positions on Bitcoin futures, according to exchange data and trader notes. $12 billion is a substantial amount, and this shows just how serious these hedge funds are about their bearish stance. With the big players on Wall Street shorting Bitcoin, this strategy could end up backfiring in a spectacular way. And that's exactly what's happening now. The market is reacting to these short positions, creating a volatile situation where unexpected price increases can lead to huge losses for those betting against Bitcoin. It's a high-stakes scenario, and we're seeing the effects play out in real time. Even so, hedge funds selling Bitcoin futures isn't a new strategy. Often, hedge funds short the futures of a given asset while simultaneously buying in the spot markets. They use this carry trade to profit from the price differences. This tactic is common and has been profitable in traditional finance. However, Bitcoin is a different beast. It's a new asset class that operates outside the traditional financial system. This means that the usual strategies might not work as expected. If Bitcoin's price doesn't follow predictable patterns, these hedge funds could face massive losses. The risk here is huge because Bitcoin's market is highly volatile and less predictable than traditional assets. Hedge funds betting against Bitcoin in this way are taking a significant gamble, and if things don't go as planned, the financial fallout could be substantial. And Shiba Inu is feeling a strong impact from these developments. As of now, these hedge funds can only play with Bitcoin since there's only one crypto ETF currently trading, and that's Bitcoin. Hedge funds short Bitcoin futures to drive down the price, causing panic among small investors. This panic often spills over into the entire crypto market, including Shiba Inu, leading to widespread selling and price drops. But here's something interesting. Remember how I talked about the possible flush event happening right now? Well, here's a huge discovery. Just today, on-chain tracking and analytics system, Whale Alert highlighted a significant development in a post on X. They pointed out a major movement involving Robinhood. According to Whale Alert, Robinhood transferred 600 billion Shiba Inu, worth $13.7 million at the time, to an unknown wallet address yesterday. The post garnered a lot of attention due to the massive amount of assets moved. Interestingly, it triggered bullish sentiments among market participants who initially thought the transaction was an exchange outflow. Such outflows usually reduce selling pressure and boost confidence during a downtrend. However, further investigation revealed that this movement was actually an in-house fund shuffle by Robinhood. Although Whale Alert labeled the recipient wallet as unknown, it actually belongs to Robinhood. This wallet now holds 3.4 trillion Shiba Inu, worth over $78 million, making it the platform's second-largest holding. Meanwhile, in addition to the Robinhood transaction, crypto surveillance resource Arkham Intelligence has highlighted multiple Shiba Inu movements by Coinbase in the past 24 hours. The most significant of these transactions involved an inflow of 5.55 trillion Shiba Inu, valued at over $126 million, to a Coinbase hot wallet yesterday. The US-based exchange further transferred between 417 billion and 468 billion Shiba Inu tokens to various wallets in 8 separate transactions. Interestingly, in each of these transactions, Coinbase first sent the funds to an unknown address and then rerouted them to another wallet labeled Coinbase 10. What's striking is that all 8 transactions occurred within a span of just 3 hours. Following these transactions, Coinbase 10 now holds 4.5 trillion Shiba Inu, worth over $100 million. Interestingly, this wallet has consistently moved Shiba Inu tokens to addresses unaffiliated with Coinbase. This suggests that Coinbase uses the wallet to fulfill withdrawal requests from its customers. Notably, when you add up all the whale transactions from Robinhood and Coinbase over the last 24 hours, it amounts to a whopping 9.6 trillion Shiba Inu. This represents almost 2% of Shiba Inu's circulating supply. These tokens are currently valued at $215 million, making it one of the largest clusters of movements in recent times. And since this exchange shuffle represents one of the largest clusters of movements in recent times, it's crucial for people to pay close attention to it. This activity can give us a significant signal about what might happen next in the crypto market. When major exchanges like Robinhood and Coinbase make such massive moves with Shiba Inu tokens, it can indicate potential shifts in market sentiment or upcoming trends. These exchanges often have insight into customer behavior and market demand. So when they move large amounts of a particular cryptocurrency, it could suggest impending price movements or changes in investor behavior. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.